Hi, I'm Emma Seal and welcome to my video. In this video, we're going to look at planking techniques. Now, this is part of a playlist of bodyweight resistant exercise techniques that you can find in the card above or in the link in the description. They're here to help you with your techniques and your performance in very common regular exercises for good health and fitness. Don't forget, if you get something out of this video, make sure you like, subscribe and turn on the notifications. This also helps it show to other people. I'm going to show a lower level plank option. This is for anybody who doesn't do planks regularly or may struggle with this exercise. If you start at a lower level and build up your technique to a full plank, you're going to avoid injury and also make sure that you engage the right muscles, which is just going to benefit you in the long term. So we start with the legs hip width apart and we're on the knees, and then we're going to walk out into a plank position. We've got the elbows directly underneath the shoulders, the forearms and the hands are flat to the floor. We're leaning onto the soft part of the knees and the heels are up from the floor. We've got the core pulled in tight, so we're pulling in through the belly button and squeezing those muscles as hard as possible. So it's important to keep the core engaged and in line with the back. We don't want to dip the hips down towards the floor and arch the lower back. Everything stays in a nice straight line with the belly button pulled in tight and engaged. So in that position, we hold nice and strong, breathing steady for as long as you can, squeezing through the stomach muscles. Another important element is to make sure that your neck is in line with your back. Often people look towards their knees or their toes and that arches the top of the back. You need to have your head in line and eyes looking just beyond the fingertips. From a half plank like this, you can then look to increase it into a full plank, which would be hands are directly underneath the elbows, which are underneath the shoulders. And then you come to the feet and onto the tips of the toes. Legs hip width apart, back strong, head in line with the back. We are avoiding dipping in the hips towards the mat or leaving the bottom in the air. We also don't want to have hands in front of the shoulders. They need to make sure they're directly underneath. And squeeze through the stomach, breathing nice and steady. When you finish the full plank, come onto the knees. You don't want to drop the hips down. Again, that can cause problems with the lower back. So you come to the knees before you relax and back to your start position. I hope you found that video useful. Having a strong core is really important for good posture and to get the most out of other exercises. Now, in my playlist, you will also find another core exercise, which is crunches. Head to the card or into the link in the description. If you'd like to benefit from more core exercise techniques, I do have a number of live exercise classes each week and also banks of recordings. If you're interested in those, head to my website using the link in the description where you can find out when these are. If you've got something out of this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notifications, and I will see you in another video.